I did too, because the huge tubes. Yeah. That's what I thought it was when I was a little kid, and then I just yeah, I don't know. It's the color of the first building with an app on his phone.
Just because we want to see if people would notice.
Yeah. Alright, that worked, yeah.
Just vape.
Yeah.
Vaping's way healthier, but it is gay. That.
Oh my goodness. Eric, don't do it again!
I didn't try that second time.
I just fell. That's literally the definition of idiocy. It's doing something at the same time and expecting a new result.
That's insanity.
Oh. Einstein, he was a crazy dude. Slept with his cousin. Some things are just better off left not unsaid.
Well, smart people most of the time aren't smart. Rock gang.
This is not a good idea. Eric, we're about to go into Hamms and your feet are gonna be wet the entire time.
Rock gang.
It's a letter of not Boy Scouts.
Snow uphill.
It's melting, Eric.
It happened again. First time I did it, watch out. Oh, 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 oh! Probably gonna break when you get closer. Yeah, no, I just.
Alright. Oh, sick. This is what you missed?
Yep.
That's funny.
This connects to the other building, I think. Hey, Miles, turn it down. Can you shut it in? I can't really see.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna climb in and then. They'll just hand me my stuff.
Alright, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
And they probably just tried to steal it.
It's proving to be not a good idea.
Good?
Awkward part.
Yeah. You should have gone with 2 legs first. You good? You fine?
2 legs seems to be.
Yeah, yep.
Oh jeez, I'm bleeding.
You are where?
On my finger.
Oh.
Take his stuff. Okay. It's like a poor thing.
Sealed up last time. Oh no.
I'm having like deja vu from 2 years ago. I remember coming in this store and me, Michael, and Chester.
You guys got all wet, right?
No, we got. You can get cheap lower priced lenses for this, but that's the elevator shaft.
Gosh. Jump on it. Oh man, this is...
Sender, baby.
We have better things to do.
Yeah. You don't have to just break everything that you see that someone doesn't know.
Right, it should be, fun for the explorer, not for like this.
Yeah.
Jesus, there's some like busting these.
That's really
purpose.
dumb. I can see
I
it.
don't doubt it.
Yeah, so many stupid people come here and just break things. Wait, can you like? That is just a drop.
Yeah, it is. Jeez.
There's a car down there. Do you think this like naturally fell? I love this album by Pink Floyd. Nice. And then dang, it's all glass. Oh jeez. Oh jeepers.
Oh, that's scary.
Indeed.
It's cracking.
Come on. I want to fly my drone. So we're just doing some drone stuff in the city over there. Just chilling on the roof.
It's not good. Oh my gosh.
Those drones were getting super close.
The drones?
No,
The birds, yeah. The pigeons.
Might as well be drones.
Yeah. I think we're good for footage and stuff.
No, let's get more. You are an idiot. I have more. This will get me through.
Jeez.
That's what the hit my head twice now. Like, since the Pete Barber said something like, "Oh, look, it's some urban explorers coming in." He used to. Wow.
Alright, let's go selfish.
That are you saying? You good?
Yeah, here's the main area. That's cool. This is good. Oh, here we go. Oh, sick. There we go.
So, other than the broken stairs.
Great. I thought that was a vending machine for a second. I don't know why.
It's like just Black Ops.
Yeah.
It's not a big sauce. We gotta go. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Just go, just go. No. Oh, here we go. What? Mother. Should we? Here they are. This way, you idiot. Are you stupid?
No.
Yeah, clearly are.
I'm going upstairs.
Come down.
Other side.
Damn, you're done.
These are, wow.
Mouse, I'm putting
That's
my
the
camera.
smell.
Let's put our cameras away.
Yeah.
We'll update you when we get out.